stock number 6309 has just landed in Sydney from Japan. Check out this beautiful Rambo's Tonka. This is a very special off-road beast because it's decked out with a lot of expensive gear, including, first of all, I guess it's a top spec model, and they've added this front protection bar, 2-inch lift kit, Toyo all-terrain open country tires on a beautiful set of off-road rims. It's got these plastic fender flares front and back. These are not standard. 1, 2 on the back. Bed liner. It's got this tonneau cage there. You can have a snooze in the back of this. We've had one customer, he's driven right up to the top end in one of these, sleeping in the back under the tonneau. This has got the rear taillight protectors. This is a hardcore four-wheel drive machine. This will go where Land Cruisers cannot go because of the lightweight nature of this little beastie. It's got a 350 kilo payload. This is all special gear on the back. There's a LED light you can switch on from inside the cabin. Bed liner. And when I say it's a serious off-road bit of kit, it's got high and low range. That's this lever here. And push button 4-wheel drive, and this button just to the right is for your rear diff locker. So this will crawl up a mountain trail of rocks or beach, serious beach dunes, whatever you want to take it on. This will tackle stuff that other 4-wheel drives that are heavier cannot. It's done 50 something thousand Ks. Let's have a look. It's pretty low mileage, 58,000. Service stickers up to date. A couple of service stickers there anyway. Got these Butte Clasio leather seat covers, and this is a jumbo cabin too. This is not standard. That's got a huge amount of extra space in the back there. You can carry some luggage, soft bags in the back there. I'll get rid of this music before YouTube pings me. There we go. You can tie down your gear in the back with these straps, and it's also got an overhead console for carrying more equipment up here. Air conditioning, power steering, central locking, electric windows. That's your rear light button here. Cup holder, extra USB ports. So it's a beautifully decked out little machine. These Clasio seat covers are beautiful. That's an aftermarket drinks holder. It's got a little camera there, recording device. It's a Japanese one. I don't know how well that works in Australia. But it's all about the condition. This is a mint car. I can't find a mark or a scratch on it. And it's just got an incredible visual appeal. Beautiful looking little machine. It's got the chrome decals on the front that signifies the top spec model. Window tints, weather shields, driving lights. Loads of goodies. And with the lift kit on it, I want to go on an off-road adventure in this sort of thing. And people ask me, what do they like to drive? Are they underpowered? Well, they're actually quite zippy. I find that obviously it's designed to rev out a lot higher than a typical car with a big, slower motor. This is like a motorbike engine. So if you use the revs, they're very, very zippy and they're fun. They're like a go-kart to drive. And you can do highway speeds in these cars most of the time. You can get a speeding ticket if you try hard enough, but you've got to drive it a little bit harder because of the small motor. It's a 660 cc's, and around town it's like a zippy go-kart. It's a lot of fun to drive. Very responsive. That's it. I'm going to end the video on that note. If you like what you see, give us a call. We can send this car anywhere in Australia. We send a lot of cars interstate, and we get favourable transport quotes. So if you want a transport quote, give us a call at Edward Lee's Imports. Our number is 02 9744 0539. Call us on that number. My name is Phil Lee. That's my handsome face there. Thanks for watching this video. Signing off with Rambo's Tonka from Edward Lee's Imports. Thanks for watching. See ya.